Hey, Ginger. Huh? Hey, Gigi. Want your belly rubbed? Oh, yeah. Sprinkles on the concrete here. I fell a couple trees at my father-in-law's. This is actually some of the firewood from that. We kept the trunks as logs, and I'm gonna go load them up. I'm gonna haul them to the sawmill to sell. I'm gonna hook up to the trailer, and then I got a piece on the fender that just had a little tack weld that busted loose, and it's not really affecting the way it performs, but it's annoying going down the road. It vibrates. So I'm gonna back the trailer in the shop here, put a little tack on. Hey, what are you doing? I can hear the sprinkles now. Switch over so we can hook up to the trailer. Got somebody here who wants to go for a ride. She's my good farm girl. Clearing by a mile, basically. I want to do a safety contact. If you wear hoodies like I do, and you got these things right here, do yourself a favor and get rid of them. It's not worth it. In one of our meetings, someone had a safety share, and someone was running a grinder, and they had, I don't know if it was a hoodie or a jacket, but they had the drawstrings on their hood, and no doubt they were bent over, and that string got into the grinder, and before the grinder could get shut off, it pulled the grinder right up into their face. That right there is what's vibrating. But right here is where the tack broke loose. $14 or something. Dioxide, so hit OK. My wire diameter is 35 thou. Let's do 12. We click on this. That camera view is not going to work. You're right in my way. I was trying to get you some good footage here. Maybe I can set you up in here. Just the proper way to do this is to remove the tire. I'm not doing that just because I'm being stubborn. I'm kind of in a hurry, but in the long run it'd be better off just to remove the dang tire. Uh-oh. I lost you. Like I said, I should take it off. I'm taking it off. I'm not happy with the job I did, and I think there's another tack right behind here on the bottom of that piece that's broke loose as well. And I already got it in here, got the welder hooked up. I'm welding on it. I'm not gonna halfway it. It's loose. And no, I know what you guys are thinking. I'm so fast I should be on a NASCAR pit crew. Ain't gonna happen. There's a lot bigger gap right here than there is on the other side or on the other end of this fender. There's two tacks back here busted. And now I can get the grinder in here. Whoop, whoop! another couple welds up at the top busted loose. So this here is a perfect example of why you don't halfway do something, because if I would have just done what I was initially going to do, if I just put the two back, it would have definitely busted loose again. So that's why it pays to go ahead and do it right, because you'll head something off before it becomes a disaster. Sure as heck helps to see, for sure. Someone thinks they're going on a trip with me. You better stay home. I'll see you when we get back. Ah, no vibrating. Get the chains under the log. I laid them out and I put a bunch right down here close to the log. And I'm going to take the tractor and I'm going to push the log, roll it up onto the chains. One thing to point out, if you've never messed with logs before, this is not good. You know, before I take that, I'll take the chainsaw and trim that off. I don't have to I can tell you that right now. I don't know if I can do. What's that word that one guy uses? The guy on YouTube, I think. I don't remember. I can't remember who it was. Some nobody. I think he uses the term sloppy. Sloppy. A little sloppy. I wouldn't consider this sloppy though. This is more like sticky. This is where everybody keeps their gloves, right? Logs taken, got them unloaded. Getting ready to go get the rest of the logs. I missed a shot. Dad was lifting this log here, driver's side, no, be the passenger side, rear tire off the ground. He dropped her down. So, got the chainsaw. I'm gonna be trimming her down to size. Dave's probably gonna try to roll. We'll see. Didn't get done in time to get it to the sawmill today because they close at noon on Saturdays. One day after work or before work, or next day off or something, I can take it. Morning. Got my coffee? No. I don't drink coffee. It's actually strawberry crush. That's what I had though, so that's what I'm drinking. You can see it's just a beautiful day. Look at the sunshine. You can't see it? Yeah, neither can I. I can see Gingy though. Hey Gingy. Hey Ginge. Hey Ginge, what you doing, girl? Ginger's always happy to see you, like every good dog is. From yesterday evening, before the sun went down, it was 70, to, well, by the time the sun sets, it's supposed to be in the 20s, but then it's going to be in the teens tonight. So we're talking about a 50-degree drop in 24 hours. Pretty good. But I'm going to tighten these chains up. We're going to hit the road, get this to the sawmill before the weather hits. Today is Veterans Day. However, I don't think they're closed. Obviously, I wouldn't think that, or I wouldn't be going. But happy Veterans Day to all you veterans, everyone who served, past, present, people who are still here, people who are no longer with us. I thank you. I think it's safe to say we as a country thank you. Give us the freedoms that we have, the freedom I have to do this, to be able to haul logs, be able to farm, be able to work the job I want to, be able to express my viewpoints, practice my religion, everything. I thank you for your service. Okay, we're rolling. Literally, like camera and on our wheels. Yeah. Lights on the trailer work, brakes work. Breakfast time. What? Just saw a gator. We are in Illinois, and I just saw a gator. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about when I say gator. Hint, I'm driving down the road. At the sawmill. See the loader over here. Right there. A few logs over here. A few more over there. Logs everywhere. Sawdust everywhere. Pretty sweet. It's been a little wintry mix. Rain, some snow and sleet. You can see, I don't know if you see on the table. I mean, it's not much. I know you northern people are probably thinking, what's the big deal? Whew. I'm ready for hay season. Road is basically a solid sheet